Hi friends, I am back with a new art supply video. So this time I'm going to try a set of gouache, Gucci gouache paint from Chalkola. So this is the set that I got. It's from a company called Chalkola. It has 36 colors of 12mm tubes each, and you can see on the side here the set also includes a couple of brushes, a palette knife, a palette, and one sponge as well. So I'm really glad that it's like a full kit in itself, and I'm looking forward to see how these are. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the set and let's see what is inside. Okay, so this is the sponge, pretty soft. You can see about an inch thick. This is the brush set. And I see a couple of round brushes here. I see flat brushes, two filbert, and one big fan brush. There is also a small fan brush you see here. Yeah, so round, flat, filbert, and fans. Nice. Palette knife, quite sturdy. Yep, very nice. Alright, the palette. I like that it has a little mixing area here as well. Great. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. Color swatch sheet. So this is very nice. I'm definitely going to fill this up. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna show a filled version of this sheet so we can see how each color looks like. Alright, and here are the colors. So I see two trays of colors each. Yeah, so 9 colors per tray, and take a close look. So I see two titanium white, very nice, because white we use a lot, and I can anticipate myself using a lot from the gouache set. Couple of reds, yellows, blues, greens. Let's see what is here. Oh, that's nice. These are the metallic colors. I see a silver, bronze, rose gold, and gold. So these are the four metallic colors: silver, bronze, rose gold, and gold. I can't wait to try them out. And I see there are more white. So there is a pearl white. There is a pearl white. There are two zinc whites. Yeah, so looks like there are three types of whites: titanium white, pearl white, and zinc white. Four metallic colors. So this is my completed color chart. I added gradation so I can see the effect of water as well. And I definitely wanted to see the metallic colors, so they are at the bottom: rose gold, gold, silver, and bronze, and pearl white as well. So they all have shimmer as opposed to the other colors. So I think you might be able to see it now when the light is falling on them. The ones at the bottom row have a shimmer to them as opposed to the other color. So this includes pearl white as well. I actually put zinc white and titanium white as well, but after drying I'm not seeing any difference as compared to the paper. So maybe I need to try them on a dark colored paper. And yeah, the color chart actually had two peaches on it, so I just updated it with another color for which I didn't find a box. And In my box, lilac was missing, but I had two of the violets. So I look forward to try this set, and if you want to see a couple of finished paintings or a review after I have tried a couple of paintings, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.